Look, I think I'm at Davy Crockett, and the Dollar General's over there through the woods. I walked through there yesterday, but this thing's got a drop off. Pretty good drop off. And if you don't get out and look, if you don't get out and look at this guy. He went straight to the concrete. Oh Lord, get out and look, y'all. What the heck? He could damage his airlines right there. When he pulls forward, them wheels go down enough, it could damage his airlines and bust a brake chamber or something. Get out and look, especially if you're tired.